Hey, I'm Janelle, this is To DIY For. So I'm keeping things very simple this week. I've been very busy with all of the makeovers that I've done on my channel in the last month. On a thank you as well for all of the love that I've been receiving on those. You guys really seem to enjoy them. I absolutely love doing them. So I'm looking for some spaces, friends and family in the area currently, so I can do some more makeover spaces on my channel for you because I love it so much. If you're new to my channel and you're not already following me on Instagram or Twitter, that's kind of where you can get a sneak peek into what I'm doing on my DIYs. And yeah, please go follow me there. So this week I'm, like I said, gonna keep it very simple. I had some people reach out to me asking for some DIY date night ideas, considering Valentine's Day is coming up in just a few days. Let's face it, Valentine's Day, I think, is overrated. It's expensive to go out. It can be very crowded and busy. There's fixed menus, and if you don't already have a reservation, well, it probably is too late. You can be romantic, have fun at home. It's gonna be freezing where I live, so I don't even wanna leave the house, to be honest. I just wanna stay cozy with my boyfriend at home, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you how you can do it for really cheap at home, and just kind of really elevating some of these date night ideas at home to make them a little extra special. So first I'm gonna kind of show you kind of like movie fun night in. And I'm going to do this by clearing a big space in our living room in front of our TV so I can make it way more cozy. So I've got an air mattress here, which I think a lot of people already have at home. Hopefully you also have a pump for it so you don't almost pass out blowing it up like I did. But once I got that blown up, I also tossed on this little foam mattress topper that we have for our spare bedroom to make it extra cozy. And then you just start piling on the blankets and the pillows. I mean, the more blankets, the more pillows, the cozier it is. And literally I'm just taking the comforter and the pillows from our bed and creating a brand new bed in front of the TV. I mean, does that not look cozy? So you can do the same thing. And then to kind of give a little more ambiance to the area, I took some of our patio lights that I've taken down for the winter, and I propped them up in our living room just to kind of make it a little more fun and, again, more ambiance in there. So of course you need snacks for movie night. So I've got some popcorn, but then I also did kind of like this fun little sundae tray. So I've got ice cream and whipped cream and candy in there, so you can enjoy this while watching a movie. And I've got the video game controllers there because my boyfriend is a big gamer and absolutely loves it when I game with him. So we can either do this with the movies or we can game and have great snacks for the evening in. Love this idea. Next, I'm gonna do some pizza and beer. And I know that sounds really basic, but I mean, when was the last time you actually made pizza at home? We often just order it. It's actually really fun to make together. So you can cut up your favorite toppings and just have it all prepped and ready. And then the two of you can build your favorite pizzas, maybe even make personalized pizzas if you don't have the same flavor palettes. We really love Canadian pizza, so that's what I am making right now, adding a little bit of extra fresh basil just because we have that growing in our apartment. And if you're wondering, I use naan bread as the base for the pizza. Super simple, quick, and easy, and it's a nice thin crust. So now to prep the beer, instead of just literally drinking it out of cans, we love to go to craft breweries and do flights of beer. So I figured, why not make a flight of beer for us each at home? So I've got 3 different beers. We'll each have a little sample taste of them in the glasses that I've set out. Enjoy our pizza, which is a little overcooked. And then I pulled out some cards because we love to play card games as well together, and it's a great little kind of fun competitive thing to do together. And literally just making it set up like a beer flight, I think, makes this more of an adventurous, fun evening for a date night at home. So like I said, just keeping it simple. I mean, these are definitely bigger date nights than I would normally have with my boyfriend at home. I mean, I can't tell you how many times we just watch Netflix and chill like on a Friday night. So I think doing something like this and putting a little more effort into it, making it a unique experience and kind of, you know, making it something like you don't normally do at home really makes for a fun date night that you can A, use on Valentine's Day, or B, any time of the year, really. And this doesn't have to be for just couples. I think it'd be really fun to make that whole kind of like bed movie experience for a kid's sleepover, or just with your kids one night to just kind of make movie night a little more fun. You can do this for girls' night, swap out the beer with wine if that's what you like more. I mean, this is just a starting point, and hopefully kind of got you thinking outside the box and got your creative juices flowing for some date night at home ideas. Because I love date night at home. It's so much fun. I kind of don't like leaving my house in the winter. Anyways, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Welcome to my channel. I do DIYs every single Wednesday, and I will be back next Wednesday to chat with you again. Cheers.